So y'all, good morning. Today is July 21st, 2022. It's about 11:03 a.m. I just got my Walmart order and I just wanted to share with you all. I'm going to go ahead and start here. I did try to write the prices on there to make it easier. Got some Breyers homemade vanilla ice cream for $3.98. The Great Value mozzarella shredded cheese for $3.98, 16 ounces. Egg makers for 32 ounces for $4.14. 2 of the frozen orange juices, and they were $1.50 each. I got 4 of the chopped spinach frozen for $1 each. 2 of the classic chippers for $2.08. 1 of the buttermilk pancakes, 12 for $2. The turkey sausages for $1.78, and you get does it say how many? You get 10. The Orville popcorn kernels, 45 ounces for $6.14. 2 of the vanilla wafers, they're $2.20 each. I got 2 of them. I got some grape jelly. Did I write what they were? How much it was? I think this was like $2.20. I got this on rollback. Y'all excuse the Viva right here. She's showing y'all too. She's showing y'all them cookies. I got these spatulas. They were 97 cents each. I got some chicken breasts, which was probably the most expensive thing on my list, which was $15.49, but I really needed some chicken breast. I'm going to do some pizza, so y'all kind of see some pizza stuff here. I got turkey pepperoni for $2.58. Usually I get this from Target. Usually I get this from Aldi's, but I totally forgot about it. It was just like the last minute thing, like, oh, I should do pizza because I have some pizza dough. So, I got some Avery labels. I use this to label stuff in my freezer for $1.42. Some leave-in conditioner for Viva's hair. This is $3.48. I usually get this from not Five Below. I usually get this from Family Dollar, but I just decided to went ahead and get it from Walmart. Also, the oil, we all use this oil. It's the Olive Miracle Growth Oil Treatment, and it's $3.28. I remember when this stuff was like $2 and like $2. It's like almost $4. Pizza sauce, $1.20, and it is 14 ounces, and it is Great Value brand of beef. Is it not? And then underneath the chicken, I got the eggs for 18 count for $6.22. The cake mix, I got yellow Devil's Food. They're both Great Value brand. I got 2 of them each, and they're 98 cents each. And then I got this one because they didn't have the Great Value brand of just brownies. This is Duncan Hines. It was $1. Hold on. It was $1.38 each. I got the steel wool pads. They're $1.07, cheaper than a Dollar Tree. Sometimes I can find them at what place is that? Sometimes I can find steel pads for $1 at like Dollar General and Family Dollar sometimes. Let's come over here. We got the broccoli florets. They was 0.98 cents. 2 bags of the Bartlett pears for $4.97 each. Sam's Club didn't have them, and I want to say that on Instacart for all these were $5 a bag. And how many pounds is this? Excuse me, coughing, y'all. 3-pound bag. But they don't look bad. I'm putting them in the fridge anyways. But I eat pears a lot. I think it's just one in there that looks kind of bad. So yeah, just this one maybe looks bad. And another one looks bad. But like I said, I'm going to put them in the fridge. And then we got the Great Value bagels. They're $1.62 each. I got the cinnamon one and the regular one. I usually get these from Aldi's, but doing the pickup order, it was more expensive. So that is everything that you see here. The only thing I did not bring up was the Capri Suns. So I got a pack of 30-pack Capri Suns for $8.68. I just wrote that here so I won't forget. But I have to go get that from the car. So y'all, this is everything. This is the Walmart haul.